So this is just my Invisalign journey. I'm just going to document little bits and bobs so you can see. But this is on the screen. This is my teeth before I got anything in. So this is how they look. And then you go in and they show you basically how they're going to look after. And for this step, I had to pay a certain amount. I can't remember, it was like 150 or something to get these photos taken and to see what they'd look like after, to see if I was going to be happy with the result, which I was. And then I went along with it and got it done and I was really happy. And then the next couple of minutes is just like my week 1 and my week 2 of it. So I hope you enjoy this video. So this is day 1 of my teeth and I've had it on a couple of hours and now I'm starting to feel like I have a little bit of a lisp when I talk, but I think it doesn't really help as well. I have a little bit of a cold, that's why my nose is red, but this is them on. He did cut little gaps, kind of drill little gaps in between my teeth. He said to help my bottom teeth space out, whatever that is. I'll see if I can get a photo of what it looks like. You can't really notice them. And then on some of the teeth, he did put like a little bit of fill and stuff. And again, I didn't ask because I was just so excited to get in and out because it was a little bit sensitive when he was doing it. So yeah, I don't think they're too bad. You can see it a little when I smile, but if I smile to this side, you can't really see it too much. But I reckon if I do go somewhere and I do have to smile a lot, I might wear them for the day, but you are meant to wear them every day, so I shouldn't say that. But I'm just going to show you everything that came with my kit today. So I got a little tote bag, which is really cute. These are my next few weeks of liners to change, and maybe next time I'm changing them, I'll record it. I'm tanning my hands in a cold. And then I got this little package for free. It was just an oral kit, so it has a few things you need like mouthwash, toothpaste, brushes, and a little pack that I can bring to work, and some things for cleaning the Invisaligners as well. And then this is the cute box. It came in this bag, and then this box came in the bag. I feel like my lisp is really bad, but I don't actually think it's that bad. And then inside this box came these two. So this is a little pouch you can pull out. I can't open that with 2 hands, so I'll have to open it off the camera. And then these are little things to clean them if they get dirty. You're meant to like brush your teeth before you put them back on. So it's a little pouch. These are, I can't remember what he called them, but basically once you put the Invisaligners in, I'll show you in a second, you have to bite on this to make sure that they're down fully. Then you can put your Invisaligners in this when you're like eating. So that's what this came. I'll turn around and show you what this is. So you basically put your retainers in, and when you dip them in, you need to bite on this. And it makes sure your braces are in fully. This tooth has actually hurt me a little when I bite on it. So I might send him a message on Instagram to just see why that is. It doesn't hurt when I'm talking and stuff. It's only when I bite down on the thing it hurts a little. But anyway, so this is day 1. I will insert some photos of my teeth, what they look like now, and as they go along every week I'm going to take some progression photos and see how my teeth change so I can see how they go along. So hope you enjoy this video. So I won't lie, I put a filter on my face because I feel so sick today. But anyway, so this is day 2. They're really sore when I take them in and out. I find it really hard to take them in and out. So I did look up some YouTube videos on it, and if I can find them when I'm finally editing this, I'll tag them. And basically the guy was saying it's just if you take them in and out too much, and I think I might have done yesterday because I was like, oh, I can just take them out and have a cup of tea whenever I want. But realistically, he was like, you know, you're meant to have them in for 22 hours. So if I take them out for 15-20 minutes throughout the day for like 4 or 5 cups of teas or coffees, that adds up to my 2 hours. So that when I actually do take it out to like enjoy my food and eat them, it's way too much time wasted. So I took them out this morning to have a cup of tea because I'm not feeling the best. I didn't bother like having breakfast or whatever. So I'm going to take them out for lunchtime, and then I'm going to take them out for my dinner. I really love to have a cup of tea before I go to bed. So I'm really sad if I can't do that, but if it just means, because my dentist told me it's only going to be 9 weeks, so it's probably good for me because I drink way too much tea and I drink way too much coffee, and it will really stop me snacking, so I suppose that's a bonus. But yeah, so hopefully next time I do a video I won't leave the filter on. I just feel absolutely crap today, so I was like, oh, the last thing I want to do is like go on, but I thought it's really good. So yeah, they've just been hurt when I take them in and out, but if you're watching this and wondering, is that okay? I think it is, because it makes sense that your teeth are moving and they're going to be a little bit sensitive at the beginning. So yeah, I'll probably do an update in a couple of days when I know how to take them in and out a bit better, and I feel a bit better as well. So this is about, why do I sound like I'm more than this when I did record than I do when I'm just talking? So this is like day 5. I'm going to be changing my retainers out soon. This is when I do a little update. Because I think this video is just going to be week 1, and then I'll do another one. I'll do another one in like a couple of weeks. So yeah, it's definitely got like so much easier to take in and out. I don't know if I just got better at it, or you know, they're really tight at the beginning and then they slightly loosen, so it makes it a bit easier. I'm not sure, but they're a lot easier to take in and out now, which is nice. And yeah, I try to leave them in as much as I can. I was devastated because normally my routine is I go into work and I have my breakfast, my coffee, and then I'll go downstairs. By the time I go downstairs, and when I go downstairs, because our canteen is upstairs, then by the time I go downstairs, everyone else is normally in because my boyfriend drops me off on his way to work. Then I go downstairs and I normally have a coffee with everyone else and like a morning chit chat while we're like putting away towels and doing a few bits and bobs on the hairdresser, by the way. And this morning I was like, oh, come here, do you want a black coffee? I was like, no, I can't, because I had to leave the braces in. I mean, I suppose you can take them in and out, but like I said, like the other day, it's kind of like, the more you take them out now, the longer it's going to take. And even though it's only 9 weeks, I'd still prefer if it wasn't like 10 or 11 weeks, because it's still quite a long time. I think one thing that's really reassuring is that today was like my first day properly around a load of people, and everyone was like, oh, you can't really notice them. You can't notice them. I didn't notice them until like I pointed them out. So yeah, it's really good. Also, yeah, I have to leave this filter on for another video or two. I'm just still feeling a little bit crap in myself, but I've just been to work and with the dogs, so I'm a little bit of a mess as well. But yeah, so the next part of this video is just going to be me taking these out and putting in my new ones and seeing what that experience is for the first time, to see what that's like putting in a new set. They're obviously slightly smaller, so yeah, hope you enjoy that, and yeah, see you in the next one. So this is me just taking out the packs that I need for this week, and I'm taking them out. I realised, looking back and editing this video, I did not look any bit flattering taking these out or in, and you can see even a week in I still struggled a little. So then I put the old ones in the little packet because he told me to keep the old ones, and then I went back or I went and got the new ones out, and I noticed putting these in, they were definitely a lot tighter, which I guess is the point. I could feel like the tightness on my teeth, and I'm editing this a few days after and it feels so much better. And I struggled putting in the bottom set. I think I just kept putting it wrong and I kept kind of clipping my gum at the back or something, but I eventually got it. And after I recorded this, I did use the green chewy things. But yeah, I'm really excited because I can feel my top tooth already move slightly. I'm not sure about the bottom tooth yet, but this is my week 1 and I'll probably do an update throughout as well.